Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I'm Celeste and today I'm going to be playing around with the Tarteist Pro to Go 6-pan eyeshadow palette. This is a smaller travel size palette that comes with 6 shades. It's got 2 transition shades, 3 shimmers, and 1 darker outer corner shade. And I've also got a mascara. You can use any mascara you like. 2 floofy brushes because I'm going to be doing a couple of different looks, and you don't have to have 2 floofy brushes. I'm just going to be doing a couple of different looks. And some concealer. I am doing this on a face that is otherwise done. I've got my lipstick on, I've got my highlighter on, I've got my full face done, and I already have my eye look on. So I'm going to use a makeup removing cloth and undo what I've already done. All right, since I don't have anything on my eyes right now, since I took everything off with my makeup removing wipe, I'm going to put some concealer on my eyes to give it a nice base for the shadows to go on. And for that, I'm going to need my beauty blender to just sort of blurp, 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 blurp. All right, I've let that dry for 5 seconds. And now I'm going to open up my little palette here, and these shadows are a little bit soft. You can see when I say soft, what I mean is when you hit them in the pan, a little bit of floof goes everywhere. That's not terrible. Don't worry about it so much. Some people call that fallout and they're like, oh no, fallout. It's not a bad thing. It just means you don't have to hit very hard with your floofy brush to get your pigment onto your brush. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Drive, and it is the lightest shade in here. I just want 3 very light hits, and then I'm going to go into the middle of my eye, right over where my eye folds in, and I want to go above where that is, because if I go deep into where my eye folds in, you won't see anything because it's just folded under. I have very deep set eyes, so especially for me, I need to make sure you get to see the color. And then I'm going to sweep it over very gently. You don't have to push very hard. If you do that, you're going to get a sort of streak, and you don't want a streak. What you want is an even distribution all over. So then we're going to go back and we're going to do 1, 2, 3. And same thing, going to start in the middle, right above where the fold is, and just evenly distribute it across the lid. Well, it's not even the lid, the area above the lid. What people call the crease, which I think is silly because it has nothing to do with creasing or folding. It's kind of the flat part. It's one area on my eye where I don't have any wrinkles. All right, once that's there, like, looks nice, all right, I have some color there. I'm going to go in with my next color, which is going to be the darkest one, which is Stylin'. Ooh, Stylin'. Again, 3 little taps. I'm just going to take it here on the very outside edge and then go towards the middle of my eye with it. And then also up into the area where I just put Drive. So I'm going to do this, and then when I feel like most of the pigment is deposited, then I'm going to just sweep it together a little bit. Not a lot, just a little bit. All right, that looks pretty good. Okay. And I'm going to do the other side, same thing. 1, 2, 3. I just want to get from the edge to the middle, and I'm not pushing hard. Just want to deposit all of the pigment, and then when I feel like it's mostly off the brush, we'll sweep up and over just a little bit. All right, that looks pretty good. And now, this is the most basic look for this palette. I'm going to go into the bright and shiny Hype. This is a beautiful gold. I'm going to take this on my pointer finger. I'm going to slather this on the inside half of my lid. I'm going to slather it on the inside half of my other lid. I'm going to take this floofy brush and just make sure that they overlap slightly, and then sweep over the top in the actual fold of my eye, just a little bit. And then with this same finger, I'm going to take just a tiny little bit of this and go right under my brow bone, and then just massage it in gently. Massage it in gently to bring the same shimmer from the inner corner of my eye up to the brow bone. Because you have all this space here, why would you not use it? Use it. It's lovely. All right, last step. Take your mascara, any mascara. Doesn't matter what mascara. The mascara that is your favorite. For 30 seconds or less, put it on your lashes. If you want to get fancy, you can even have it, you know, put some on those lower lashes yourself. Take that concealer. I'm going to put it down here so I can get this up here. Whoa, I can conceal this. And there's just one more step. I am going to take this and the silky eye pencil, pen, whatever you want to call it. And once this is dry, I'm going to go back with my blush brush because it has a little bit of blush still on it. Blend that in. Bloop, bloop, bloop. I am going to do the thing that people fear. I definitely feared this. I totally feared this for the longest time because it's scary, man. I mean, how do you do this thing where you take your eye and you're like, you know what? I'm gonna stab myself in the eye with some cosmetic product. Yeah, that sounds great. I'm gonna take my mirror, I'm gonna take my cosmetic thing, and I'm going to pull my eye thing down. And I'm going to draw in it with this pencil. You're like, wait, what? I know, it's like crazy, right? Take this down and then you draw in it with this pencil. And it's like, who in their right mind does this? Me. So there we go. So this is look one. All right, here we go. Goodbye, look number one. You were so cute. Oh, goodbye. Goodbye. All right, here we are, ready for look number two.
This time I'm going to use my foundation as a base. Thank you for watching this.
We're going to go into the darker transition shade, which is called Crisp. Again, just 3 strokes of the brush. 1, 2, 3. Again, into the middle of our crease. Putting it up. Make sure we've got some good coverage. 1, 2, 3. Very, very, very lightly. This is very pigmented. All right, we've got this. We've got that. Lovely, lovely. We look all transitioned. Transitioned, yes, yes. All right, next, styling again. I know. And again, on the outer corner of the eye, we're going to just deposit this. Make sure we get all that down. Yes, yes. Only this time I'm being a little bit more generous. This is going to be a bit of a darker look. Yeah, I want this to go out a little bit. All right. And while we're here, I'm going to take one dab of this on my brush. I'm going to go under my eye. Same over here, just one dab with the brush and under my eye. Okay, and again, make sure it goes over. Make sure we get that outer part of the eye. All right, once we're here, we're going to go back into this palette and we're going to go to Dominate, which is a beautiful berry color, which is going to go with my outfit. I'm going to put this all over my lid. And I'm going to put it all over my lid over here too. I'm breaking the rules! Okay, and then I'm going to sweep over the top here and sweep over the top here. All right, and with a very light hand, I'm going to add this up under my brow bone. So we've got Dominate all over here and all over the lid. If you feel like you need a little bit more, add a little bit more. Because we are not done yet. Oh no, we are not done yet. All right, then I'm going to wipe my fingers off and I'm going to go into Boss, which is a copper shade. So this is beautiful. It goes with my little copper necklace and I'm going to use that on the very, very inner corner here. On the very, very inner corner here. And the very, very upper part here. And the very, very upper part here. So this is going to go all the way in to my inner corner there. I'm going to do one more sweep here. And I'm going to bring out my Endlessly Eye pencil, which is also in a copper shade. Take my little mirror here and I'm going to run this on top of my lid out to the corner. And you, of course, don't have to do this. You could have stopped at the last step or a step ago and just added mascara at that point. I'm just doing this because it is fun. Just go with it. Don't worry about it so much. Again, spend 30 seconds or less. Don't worry about it too much. Eyelashes together, get some on the bottom, you're done. Thank you for getting ready with me today. I hope you enjoyed these looks that I did with the Tarteist Pro to Go palette. And I just wanted to let you know that I know that no makeup, no internet tutorial is going to change how you take a compliment or what you believe in your heart. But maybe if you hear it enough from enough different people, it will help heal. So here it is one more time. You are beautiful, you are worthy, and you are worth it. Have a very good day, a very good night, or a very good wherever you are. I hope you will come join me next time. If you would like to subscribe, here's the subscribe thing. And if you would like to watch more videos, here is another video. Goodbye.